Your boy Crypto Million back with another one. Today's video, we're going to be talking about a few catalysts that could create a parabolic altcoin season. My name is Crypto Millie. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur. Because I'm about to rant about altcoins, and many want to know, Millie, when will altcoin season start? Right? I am of the opinion that we still will get a parabolic stage for altcoins throughout Q4 and Q1 of 2025. And you can see, guys, we are in Bitcoin season. This is the altcoin season index. Every time we were below the altcoin season index in Bitcoin season, it's always been some pretty good gains for altcoins, despite it being bear or bull market, right? We've seen it, and even in the bear market, you still made some pretty good gains if you bought the right altcoins. Now, I'm not going to talk about specific altcoins, but I want to get you guys prepared for what's to come, right? The altcoin dominance looks like it wants to bounce off the trend line. The two RSIs here look like they are headed to confirm bullish momentum, but this is the weekly chart, so this things take time to play out. This is the altcoin dominance chart, the right, it's the inverted Bitcoin dominance chart, right? So this is altcoins dominance, right? The Bitcoin dominance went up, altcoin dominance went down, right? But now it's time for altcoin dominance to rebound, right? Because the RSIs have looked to reset. So if we get these bullish catalysts, right, this could be the component that sends the momentum for altcoins back to the upside, because you can see, guys, we most likely did break the bull market bands here on the altcoins. This is the total market cap, excluding the top 10 altcoins. So this is the others chart. Very, very, very good chart if you're trying to get an idea of what if the altcoins that you're buying in totality have momentum. Right now, these are just charts, right? This is not the end all be all, right? I would recommend anybody to just learn simple momentum indicators, momentum charting. It really, really gives you an idea of if there's momentum or what the sentiment may be around the crypto coins that you choose to buy. Okay, of course, not financial advice, but it helps me. All right, so oversold here in the stock RSI. RSI still a bit bearish, right? But guys, the bulls do look like they are trying to hold the fort here. You can see from these 2 wick candles. So these are the catalysts that we need for this to actually turn around, right? We need people to get back interested in crypto, get that feel good spirit, because you can see, I mean, we've been getting wrecked, right? We've been getting wrecked. So I believe Q4, right, could be very, very bullish for cryptocurrency, right? Q4 and Q1, right? And hopefully the latter stages of Q3, because the Bitcoin dominance here looks like it wants to break this uptrend, and it got rejected off our smooth line, the RSI, which is still going down. So bears for the Bitcoin dominance, and we've been seeing altcoins actually rising against Bitcoin every time the Bitcoin dominance has went down, even if the Bitcoin price has been going down. So that's also showing you that altcoins are nearing those bottoms. They're actually real close to those June 2022 bottoms, some of those altcoins, right? And they're at those floor where it's like hodlers. They're not worrying about their bag. They just know it's going to bounce back over time. There's a lot of altcoins in the top 100 that's like that, right? You also got some of the strongest ones like Casper, Jasmy, and meme coins like Brett and Mog. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. You know, that's the only thing I can tell you guys, right? That what goes up must come down. What goes down eventually rebounds, right? And I think that you look at the month, right, that we've been having, right, a selling may go away type of month. Altcoins are on discount. They are on discount. Now we can talk about the catalyst, because we got 31 days until the next FOMC meeting here. And if we just shoot to September, because it's 89% chance of a pause here, July, there's no meeting in August. So if they don't have like the, well, they most likely will have the Jackson Hole thing. If it's not too hawkish during the Jackson Hole, then we could get some momentum headed into a potential Fed cut right here. And when you look at some of the stats across the board, you can see that the inflation, numbers are real close to the Fed's target, right? So there is a potential that we get a Fed cut. Maybe not the money printer, but hopefully a Fed cut. And many people are talking about how the global liquidity index is also moving to the upside. So these are all catalysts, guys. These are all catalysts, right? August, BlackRock's ETH ETF approval. September, we got the release of CZ for Binance. Right, it's crazy how 4 months went that fast. Right, it's just crazy. And that's the thing, man. Be on the lookout for them CZ meme coins because they gonna go crazy because of this release. Right, September, November, the U.S. election. If Trump wins, more bullish for crypto. Can expect interest cuts in the upcoming months. We just talked about that. In Q4 of the year, mostly going to be bullish. And this is a tweet here from Adita Sadar Roy. So great tweet here. A lot of people are looking at the numbers from Coinbase. They're looking at the numbers or how these meme coins have been rising and bringing in more retail celebrity meme coins. So all of this energy can eventually turn into bullish momentum if these catalysts, right, really push crypto to the next level. Now we do have some bearish momentum. We have stuff like the Mount Gox hovering over our head, over $9 billion worth of selling pressure. We also have the government, transferring $250 million to Coinbase and potentially letting go of those tokens, allegedly, right? So there are some bearish things, right? You see how Biden and that side may have feel about crypto. They're warming up to it, but they don't have the best interest for crypto as well. So you got to also, think about the elephant in the room and the things that could go wrong because we are in the Wild Wild West, guys, and you have to accept it, right? You have to accept it. So let me know what you think about altcoin season, when you think that it will start. Do you think it's going to start around Q4? I think it's going to start around Q4. Q1 could be extremely bullish for crypto. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.